Morning and welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. In today's video, I'm going to be working on another DIY. Today, I am making a lantern, Dollar Tree style. So I'm so excited to be co-hosting my very first collab, honey. Do you see the excitement? Yes. Okay. You know I'm crazy, but it is what it is. I'm the newest member of the Home Decor Luxe Club. And all this month, we will be showcasing decorating ideas, DIYs, shop with me's, hauls, tablescapes, the whole 9 yards, all in preparation for the fall season. Kindly stop by all of my co-host channels, all of these lovely ladies who have worked so hard to bring you their beautiful creations and give you that decorating inspiration. So if you'd like to see how I put this lantern together, stay tuned. What I have here is 4 plungers from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to be removing the plunger part and all of the labeling. I also have here 2 shadow box picture frames, some tumbling tower blocks, shower curtain rings. I have 2 of these small wooden crates, and I also have some wooden dowels that I purchased from Walmart. So I'm going to get all of this put together, and I will update you as we go. I'm going to pop these little sawtooth hangers off. Okay, that looks like it wants to be a problem. So let me take off this label. The first thing that I'm going to do is start working on the bottom. So for the bottom, I'm going to put a generous amount of this Gorilla Glue, and this is all-purpose glue, but it is good for wood. So I'm going to put a generous amount in the corner, and then on the dowel itself, I'm going to put on the edge to give it an immediate hold. I'm going to do that in all 4 corners, putting a generous amount of the Gorilla Glue, and I'm putting it at the side that doesn't have the threading. I'm going to put this to the side and let it completely dry before we move on to the next step. I would like for this to have a topper to it. I think that's how I would like that topper to look. So I'm going to go ahead and glue that down, and I'm going to put a little drop of Gorilla Glue, and then I'm going to put some hot glue so we can get an immediate hold. I think that looks very good. So I am going to leave this to dry for a little while as well. Make sure everything is completely dry before I move on to the next. Next, I have the pieces for my smaller lanterns. And for that, I am using the wood dowels, like I said before. And these were from Walmart. I believe the price was $1.47, and it is a 10-pack. So I am going to repeat the same steps. For this one, I'm going to add some little feet to the bottom. I've allowed everything to dry. It's now dry. It's been drying for about 3 hours. And I'm going to begin by attaching the tops. And I'm going to just put a nice little drop of Gorilla Glue on the top of each peg. Okay, I'm going to give this some dry time and I'll come back to you with the next step. Here is our lantern completed. So I have these picks from Dollar Tree that I thought would complement our lantern. So first I'm going to set our candle. Then I'm going to come around and put some of our leaves, our purple, then I have some of our DIY acorns, and I'm going to tuck one or two of those in, and then I have our little mini DIY velvet pumpkins, and I think that is more than enough. The base is a little bit lower. I'm going to come in with some of this grass to put our candle right in the middle of that. Then I have here, and I showed you this earlier, cotton stems. Our DIY lantern is now complete. And this is the taller of the two that I did with a rope